Word art is pretty fun, so you might want to throw some of that in to spice things up a little bit. You're going to go to Insert, you're going to go to Drawing. Once that loads, you're going to go over here to Actions, and you're going to click Word Art. And then in this box, you're going to type whatever it is that you want to insert. So I'll just say that. Hit Enter, it shows up. Now you got a few options. You can click on the More option. You can change the font to something fun. You can, oh, I got a little crazy here. Got to shrink it down a smidge so that it fits on the page. You can go to the paint can and change the color. So you can change the fill to a different color. You can change it to black. This is the border of the letters. So you could click on that and change that to a color. You can kind of see it on the outside here. If you go over to border weight, you can make those outside lines just a little bit darker and a little bit easier to see. Once you've got it exactly how you want it, you click Save and Close, and it shows up in your document.